Hi friends, Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is located at Chorao Island in Goa. It is an historian mangrove habitat. The sanctuary and the island are accessed by a ferry service running between Ribandar and Chorao. This sanctuary can easily accessible by bus from Panaji. It is about 7.5 km from Panaji. Now the ferry is reaching to the island. It is a habitated village. It is the smallest wildlife sanctuary in Goa. This sanctuary has been titled after the prominent ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali. This is the ticket counter. The entry fees is 100 rupees per person and still camera it is 50 rupees. At the entry, some of the photos of birds found here are displayed. It has the facility to trekking about 1 kilometer. It is a thick mangrove forest. I hope to find some migratory birds here. Both sides of the path are marshy land. Now it is low tide time, so there is no water. Except birds, we can also find jackals and crocodiles if we are lucky. There is a bamboo bridge. Now it is closed for repairing. Some tourists are coming back. I shall ask them about the presence of birds. This is the bamboo bridge. Now it is closed for repair. The time I reached not suitable for bird watching. Now it is almost 11 o'clock. It is difficult to find any birds this time. If we want to find birds here, we should have reached here early in the morning or late in the evening. Now there is no any sign of birds or animals. Though trekking through the thick mangrove forest is interesting. If we choose the right time, it is a paradise for the bird watchers. I got some friends here. They are from Pune. I lost the hope to find any presence of birds right now. This is the end of trekking point. As my time is wrong, I could not find any birds or any animals here. Even though the trekking was very wonderful, if you liked my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.